news around booth sales for the industry, I think, is incredibly positive because we are really ahead of where the committee thought we would be at this point. And so we're today at 93% of space sold. We've got about 680 companies, I think, in that number, around 340,000 square feet. So booth space sales are going great. I think if you're on the outside debating, you need to kind of think if you're going to move or not, because booth sales, we're anticipating that we'll be 100% sold out. So I think we're working towards that, and we're ahead of pace of previous years. So that's kind of where the committee stands, I think, at this point. The North Hall has some room and availability left in it. The West Hall is completely sold out as of today. So that's a quick summary of where we are from a booth sales perspective. If you're still on the fence, you know, the time is going to be your enemy to a certain extent. So you need to make the decisions that you're going to make internally if the ROI is there for the show or not. We'll have IBIE is a global show, so we've got, you know, attendees and exhibitors from all over the world. We have a specific focus this year on the Americas, both North and South America, and we know that contingent will be strong again this year. So if that part of the world excites you, you definitely have to be there. And I think, you know, the industry meets. So really, to me, if you're wanting to be a player in this industry and have a significant presence, it's not a choice not to come to IBIE. You absolutely need to be there because the industry will be there for the 5 days we're going to be together in Las Vegas. So I think if you need any help with that, certainly the committee and we're set up to get you some more facts and data, but it's a no-brainer. If you're looking to participate in this industry, you absolutely need to be there.